Good evening, guys. Can you all hear me? Am I audible? Yes. Right. Yeah. Okay, guys. So today we are supposed to discuss 2017 paper. Okay, so we have already completed 2015 paper and 16 paper, guys. And also many of you all had asked me whether did I upload it to the YouTube. In 2016 paper, the last part I didn't upload yet. So most probably along with this recording, I will be uploading it to the YouTube by tonight. So there was a small delay, guys. So along with today's session, I'll be uploading it to the YouTube most probably. So guys, last class which we conducted on last Monday or Sunday, I can't exactly remember. Maybe it's Sunday, right? So in that we discussed some MCQs from 2017 paper also, if I'm not mistaken. Can I know the exact number, guys? So as far as I remember, I discussed until MCQ number 15 in 2017 paper. And in today's session, we are supposed to continue with question number 16. Can anyone confirm me? Are we supposed to start off with 2016? Yes, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So in today's session, we will be covering the 2016 paper, 2017 paper from question number 16 onwards. Okay, guys. Can I know, did you all do this question? Can I know, did you all do this question at home? Can I know, did you all do this question at home? I dropped a message yesterday itself in the group for you all to do it and come. Can I know, did you all do this question at home? Yeah, 20 student has completed. Others. Yeah, perfect. Guys, in order to get the maximum out of this session, please do that question and come. That's it. I'm putting in the group the questions which we will be discussing. Sometimes if I put 40 MCQs, sometimes we might discuss only 30 MCQs. No worries, just do all the 40s which I am putting to the group and come to the class. That will be much more effective for you all to get the proper understanding, guys. Okay, without further delay, let's move on with the question number 16. So a return not received from investing in ordinary shares. So as I told you guys, so out of the several investment method, one of the investment method is what? Investing in ordinary shares. So what are the investment we have? We can invest in properties, we can invest in ordinary shares, we can invest in fixed deposit, we can open a savings account. Like that, there are several investment options. No, out of that several investment options, one of the investment option is what? Investing in ordinary shares. Now what you should understand, if you are investing in ordinary shares, based on the options they have given, you will be able to get three things, which is not a thing which you cannot receive from a what? Ordinary shares. So can you see me? Dividend income will you receive from ordinary shares? Definitely yes, right? The return from ordinary shares is what? Dividend, right? So therefore you will be able to receive the dividend income. So it is not our answer because they're asking us what? Not a return, right? Mark this word properly. They are asking not a return. So if it is not a return, so first one, can you take as the answer? No, you can't take as the answer because from ordinary shares as a return, you will be returning what? Dividend income. Second one, what? Voting rights. Sorry, second one, interest income, right? So interest income, let's keep it as a doubt. Interest income, let's keep it as a doubt. Voting rate is a definite thing you will be receiving, and capital gain is also a thing you will be receiving. Now, how capital gain take place? Let's assume you are purchasing a share for 10 rupees. Let's assume you are purchasing a share for 10 rupees. So after 1 year or 2 year, let's assume you are selling it for 15 rupees. The difference of 5 rupees considered as what? That difference of 5 rupees considered as capital gain. So from ordinary shares, can you receive capital gain? Definitely you can get capital gain, right? So therefore, these three things are return of investing shares. The only return which you can't obtain from ordinary shares is what? Interest income. Is what? Interest income. Perfect, guys. Already I'm receiving 27 answers. Very good. So for the 16 question, answer should be what? The second one. 17th one, following is a transaction occurred in a business. Guys, remember, in accounting papers, like if you all know the technique properly, how to do a question, from where to start it, where to end it, how to approach a question killer, if you all know that properly, easily all can tackle the MCQ. But business studies, you might get confused, that is there. But accounting, it's not something like that now, guys. If you do the working properly, the exact final answer will be in your answer. So you can easily get the answer. So you should understand what's the technique, from where to start and from where to end. What's the kind of a thing you should approach a question. So what's the 17 question? So let's do slowly, guy, one by one. No hurries at all. No hurries at all. I'm going to clear all your doubts. I'll be clearing all your people's doubt. Okay. Okay. I'll be clearing all your people's doubt. So no hurries at all, guys. So let's discuss slowly one by one and put everything to your head. Guys, please get the maximum out of the session. Ask whatever the doubts you all have. Clarify every doubt you all have. Okay. Next one is what 17 question. Following is a transaction occurred in a business purchasing a stock of good of rupees 5,000 in cash because of this transaction in this business. Now, all of a sudden, guys, don't be panicked. So, simply they have given a transaction, right? This question they are testing from which area? They are testing from accounting equation. Now, anyone will do this question, no, guys? How to record this in the accounting equation? Can you all know me how to record? Let you all Can you all say me how to record this in the accounting equation? Purchasing a stock of good of rupees 5,000 in cash. So what will happen? Plus 50,000 what? Plus 50,000 will be what? Stocks. Plus 50,000 will be stocks. On the other hand, you are paying 50,000 cash, right? So minus 50,000 will be what? Minus 50,000 will be what? Cash. Now say me, guys, only assets changes. Yes, right? Only asset is changing. So might be our answer, right? For the 17 question, might be our answer. Let's check the other option. Only the liability changes. Is there any changes in our liability? No, right? It's completely wrong. There is no any changes in liability. Next one is only assets and liability changes. Come on, no any changes in liability, right? And third one is that they're saying everything is changing. This is also not the correct answer. So therefore, we can go with the answer number what? One. Did you all understand how to get the answer? So if they give a transaction like this, and if they ask you what is increasing, what is decreasing, which element is increasing, decreasing, if they come a question with like that, make sure just you all simply record it in the accounting equation and get the thing sorted properly. Now 17 question is done, guys. The answer should be what? First one. 18th one, out of the following, select the transaction that does not affect the equity. Guys, now say me from the initial class onwards, I am telling you all, from the initial class onwards, I'm telling you all what? I'm telling you all, guys, there are only 4 reasons for changes in equity. Can anyone say me what are those 4 reasons? From initial past paper session onwards, I'm saying, yeah, I'm repeating this again and again, guys. Definitely there will be a question from this area. I'm repeating repeatedly again and again. So can everyone quickly give me the reply? What are the things that will impact on equity? Yes, first one is what? Capital. Second one is what? Income. So let me take second one is what? Drawings. Yeah, others. Can everyone give the reply quickly? Drawings. Guys, I'm not going to do the exam. You people are going to do the exam. Please remember that. I'm not going to do the exam. You all are the one who is going to do the exam. So make sure that you all provide the answer. Okay, just don't be like a person who is seeing the screen and waiting. Just provide the answer. Let it be correct or wrong. No issues at all. Just give out the answer. So income and what? Expenses. Okay. Income and what? Expenses. Now let's go one by one. See, out of the following transaction that does not affect equity. So if the transaction is not affecting the equity, can the transaction be any of this? The transaction can't be any of these. It should be something else. So let's go one by one. Paying rupees 400 rate in cash. Guys, it's a what? It's a what? They are paying some sort of expense, right? If they are paying an expense, will it impact on equity or not? If they are paying an expense, will it impact on equity or not? It will be impacting on our equity, right? So if it is affecting our equity, can we take it as our answer? Here, me, I have taken it as expenses, right? So here they are saying not affect the equity, right? If it is not affect the equity, we should take anything apart from this. We can't take these four things. Why? Because these four things will affect the equity, no? Therefore, we can't take it as the answer. Now let's go for the second one. Receiving rupees 500 as additional income. Now check here. Do we have income? Now say me income will affect the equity or not? Definitely it will affect on our equity, right? So can we take second one as our answer? No, second one is also out because it will affect our equity. We should get an answer which will not affect the equity. Third one is what? Paying rupees 5,000 to creditor by the owner from his personal money. Now if the owner is paying to the creditor through the personal money, even though they don't mention it directly, you people should understand what it is. You people should understand what it is. It is some sort of a capital, no guys. Capital is also having an impact on equity. Therefore, we can go with the third option also. So definitely our answer option should be what? Fourth one. Let's take fourth one. Now see, fourth one will not be any of these four. Let's take the fourth one. Paying rupees 2,000 accrued electricity expense in cash. Now what you should understand is, guys, I'm pretty sure that you all are not very clear how to record these things in the accounting equation. But if you all are clear with these four concepts, like what are the impacts, what are the things which will impact on the equity killer, if you all are clear on those four things, you all can simply eliminate the first three, right? You all can simply eliminate the first three and come for the fourth option. Guys, I'll say you are like, to be honest, one thing what you all should understand here is why the examiner is giving this option as the fourth thing. Why the examiner is giving this giving this option as the fourth thing? Because guys, like for a transaction like this, in anywhere of your writing book, they haven't taught you all how to adjust it in the accounting equation. That's a fact, guys. They haven't taught you all how to make the adjustment for the accrued electricity in your writing book or textbook or in O-level syllabus. It is not there. So what the examiner is asking from you, or what the examiner is expecting from you people, he is expecting to make sure that the other three answers are incorrect. Other three answers you all should eliminate and you all should go for the fourth option. If not, he could have given this in the first option, no guys. Why he is giving the fourth option? You people should clearly identify the first three things are not our answer. Therefore, we know or we don't know. Fourth one will be the answer. Kila, you all should be able to figure out. That's what that our examiner is expecting. Did you all understand? Now, if we record this in the accounting equation also, guys, liability will decrease and asset will only decrease. Liability and asset will decrease. No impact on equity. I'm not going to explain you how to record it because it is not in your syllabus. So, did you all understand how to tackle this question? Guys, that's what you all should learn here, okay? That's what you all should learn. Accrued expenses can payable stuffs. Paying rupees 2,000 accrued electricity expense in cash, which means what? Our business electricity, which we didn't pay for the last month, we are paying this month. So liability decreases and asset decreases. There is no impact from the accrued thing, guys. Did you all understand this or not? That's what the examiner is expecting, to eliminate the first three options and go for the fourth one, Kela. Did you all understand? Can everyone just give a reply quickly? Guys, these kind of things are really tricky. You all should have a proper understanding. Like that's what from the initial class I'm saying, you guys, MCQs are what? Some kind of MCQs are really tricky. What you are supposed to do? Simply you are supposed to eliminate the thing. You are supposed to eliminate the definite incorrect answer and you are supposed to go with the correct answer. Guys, can everyone just give a reply quickly? Are you all clear with this? If it is clear, just put a C. If it is clear, just put a C. Others. The first three options we can't definitely take. Why? Because the first three options are components of equity which will influence on our equity. So if it is influencing on our equity, definitely we can't take our answer. Why? Because they are saying not affect the equity, right? Therefore, we should go with the what, guys? Therefore, we should go with the fourth option. That's the idea, guys. Simply what you should understand. Take the answer which will not affect the equity. So we know that what capital drawings, income and expense will affect the equity. So you should eliminate those four things and you should go with the what? Other option which you have in the answer. So that's how you should get the what, guys? For the 18th question, you should get the answer. Next one is what, guys? Answer the question number 19 and 20, paying attention to the following case. Tisara business purchased a stock of goods at a cost of rupees 20,000 on credit. Then 10% trade discount was deducted. Further 10% cash discount was received when paying money. Write the correct double entry related to the cash payment of Tisera's business. Can anyone say me what's the answer? Can anyone say me what's the answer for this question? Can anyone say me what's the answer for this question? Okay, now I will explain you all through the long format, guys. Okay, I'll explain you all through the what? Long format using the what? I am getting different answers from different people. Let me take it to my working sheet and let me take some time and explain you all, guys. Please concentrate. There can be like this question in your paper. So just take some time and just concentrate properly. Don't try to do anything. You can take a screenshot later and copy down it later, or else you all can check the recording also. So please stop all your work and just concentrate on what I am doing. Okay. Guys, wait a minute. Guys, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? I hope you all can, right? Yeah. Okay. Now just concentrate what I am doing, guys. Okay. Tisera business has purchased a stock of a cost of a good is how much? 20,000 on credit. Then 10% trade discount was deducted. So let me do that working here, guys. Just don't be hurry to copy. Yeah? So what is the list price? What is the list price? I'm taking you all through very basic. Just concentrate properly. What is the list price? List price is 20,000. List price is how much? 20,000. From the list price, you are receiving a trade discount of how many percentage? There is a trade discount of 10%. So can you all use your math knowledge and say me 20,000 into 10% will give you the answer how much? 20,000 into 10% will give you the answer how much? 2,000. So from 20,000, if you deduct the 2,000, what's the answer? 18,000. Guys, for me to explain this question for the second time, it will take long time, like it will take around 10 minutes. So please concentrate for the first time itself. So how many percentage is the trade discount, guys? 10% is the trade discount. So from 20,000, I deducted the 10% trade discount and I'm getting my invoice value as what? So what's my invoice value? 18,000. What's my invoice value? 18,000. Now see what are they asking in the question? Later there is a what? 10 percentage of cash discount when was received when paying the money. That is there. We'll do that adjustment later. So what they are saying, the net impact on asset when the above transaction of Thesaurus business was recorded in the accounting equation. Now guys, you all should have a proper understanding. Yeah? You all should have a what? Proper understanding to do this question. Now, until here, we are done now, guys. Our 10% cash trade discount is also fine. This 20,000 also I have put in my working. After that, what's happening? Further, 10% cash discount was received. Now, from invoice value, later when you are paying the money, how many percentage you are receiving as cash discount, guys? You are receiving 10% as what? Cash discount. So, from 18,000, the 10% will be how much? 1,800. So the final amount 18,000 minus 1,800. Can I know what's the answer? Can I know what's the answer? 18,000 minus 1,800. Can I quickly calculate and let me know? 0 minus 0 is 0. So here also I can put a 0. 10 minus 8 will be how much? 2 and 7 minus 1 will be how much? 6 and here 1. So this is the what, guys? This is the cash paid amount. This is the what? Cash paid amount. Guys, are you all clear with the working? Are you all clear with the initial thing what I did right now? I just simplified those things, guys. Are you all clear? Can everyone give a reply? I'm taking all through step by step. All of a sudden, I'm not putting the accounting equation and I'm not explaining because some people out here will not understand. So I'm taking all through very basic. So just everyone give me a reply whether are you all clear. So from the list price, I deducted the trade discount and I came for the invoice value. And again, they are saying cash discount 10%, right? I deducted the cash discount also and I got the what? Cash paid amount. Now see here. Now what are they asking? First thing they're asking the net impact on asset when the above transaction of Thesaurus business was recorded in the accounting equation. Now let's nicely write our accounting equation. What is our accounting equation? Asset is equal to equity plus liability. Guys, do we write double entry for trade discount? Can I know, do we write the double entry for trade discount? Yes or no? Do we write double entry for trade discount or no? We don't write double entry for trade discount. So can I write any double entry for trade discount? No. I'm not going to write any double entry for trade discount because in accounting, we don't write any double entry for trade discount. Perfect. Now see, what is this invoice value, guys? We are purchasing stock for 18,000, right? We are purchasing stocks for 18,000. Now, how am I supposed to write for that 18,000? Plus 18,000, what will happen? Plus 18,000 here, plus 18,000, what will happen? Stocks will increase with correspond to that. It's on credit, no, guys. Therefore, our liability will also increase by 18,000 as what? Creditors. As what? Creditor plus 18,000. Guys, don't be hurry. Still, I am on this page. Still, I am on this page. I didn't go for this part also yet. Still, I am on the what? 18,000. Now, are you all clear? How did I record at that 18,000? Are you people clear? How did I record at that 18,000? Is it very clear? Simply, I have purchased goods here, guys. Therefore, stock will increase by 18,000. With correspond to that, the payable for the creditor also will be increasing by 18,000. That's a simple thing which I did right now. Now see the next part. Next part, see, next one is what? Next one is what? Let me do these things together. If I can explain this also one by one, it will make you people confused. I'll explain this together. Now see here, you are supposed to pay to the creditor 18,000. You are supposed to pay to the creditor how much? 18,000. But later, how much actually you are paying by cash? Actually, you are paying 16,200 by cash. Am I correct? Why? Because he is giving you a discount here. He is giving you a discount, no, guys. He is giving, you are receiving a discount, right? So you are receiving a discount. Now say me discount received is a what? Discount received is a component of what? You are paying 16,200 as cash. Therefore, your cash will decrease by 16,200. Also, additionally, you are receiving a what? Discount of 1,800. Now, discount received is a what? Can anyone say me what is the element of discount received? Discount received is an income, right? Discount received is an income. Now say me when there is an income, equity will increase or decrease. What I always say, equity will increase or decrease because of an income. Equity will increase, no, guys. So equity I can put as what? 1,800. 1,800 as what? 1,800 as what? Discount received. So this part is this 1,800 is also done. Now actually from creditor, how much am I supposed to deduct? I should deduct the whole 1,800 from creditor, right? Why? Because we are supposed to pay him 18,000. He gave us a discount of 1,800. We settled 16,200. So actually we should deduct everything from the creditor. Now are you all clear? How did I record this in the accounting equation? Very easy, guys. Not difficult at all. If you all do this thing properly and if you all come for the accounting equation, nicely you can do this question. Are you all clear? How did I come for the conclusion? Everyone out here. All the participants. Not sleepy, right? It's now only it's 10 o'clock. However, you people will not sleep now, no, guys. It will definitely pass 1 or 2, no. So just be active and can all give a reply quickly. Are you all clear? Guys, that's what I told you. We don't record that 2,000 because it's a what? It's a trade discount. Trade discount is not recorded in the books of account. That's the thing you should know. Yes, clear, right? Yeah. Now see here. Now what's the first question they're asking? First question they're asking the net impact on asset. So what's the net impact on asset, guys? Plus 18,000 minus 16,200. Can I know what's the answer? It is plus 1,800. It is what? Plus 1,800. Plus key and increase, no, guys. So we can go with the answer number what? 2. We can go with the answer number 2. Guys, are you all clear? Very easy, no, guys. Nothing at all, guys. Just a matter of solving this thing and getting to the accounting equation. Next one is what? 20th question. Now say me, somewhere in the 2016 or 15, somewhere I can't remember, guys. I explained you all an easy way how to go from accounting equation to the double entry. how to go from accounting equation to the double entry. The ones who are not in the session, check the YouTube video, guys. I have explained all in detail. Now, can you say me quickly the double entry principle for asset? Asset increases debit or credit. Asset increases debit or credit. Asset increases means what? Asset increases debit, asset decreases credit. What about equity? Equity increases credit, equity decreases what? Debit. What about liability? Liability also same, right? Increases credit, decreases debit. This is the double entry principle which I taught you. This is the double entry principle that day also I taught you people. Now see how to get the answer. Now see how to get the answer. See what they are saying. What is the correct double entry related to the cash payment of Thesaurus business? They are asking about this one, guys. They are asking about this one. Now say me, according to this question, what's happening to our cash? Only this area now they're asking. Let's figure out this. Let's figure out this properly. The ones who are not in this session also will be understanding if you all concentrate properly. Now see, what is our first account? Cash account, discount received account, creditors account. Let me open these three accounts. First one is what account? The things which I have put in the bracket, guys. Don't be confused. Here, make cash account. I can open another account for what? Discount received account. Discount received account. And I can open an account for what? Creditors account. Simply, I open three accounts. Now, you people are only going to say me the answer, okay? Now, see here. Cash is increasing or decreasing. Anna, see here. Cash is increasing or decreasing. Cash is plus or minus. Cash is plus or minus. Guys, how did I get 18,000? From the what? From the list price, I deducted the trade discount and I got that 18,000. Okay. Guys, say me, cash is minus, guys. Minus means it indicates decreasing, right? Minus means decreasing, right? So cash account should be debited or credited here. Cash account should be debited or credited. Cash account should be credited by 16,200. Cash account should be credited by 16,200. Let's write the description now later. Now come for the equity part. What is happening to our discount received? What's happening to our discount received? Discount received increasing or decreasing? Discount received increasing or decreasing? Discount received is increasing. Now go above and see. Increasing means you should record on debit side or credit side. You are supposed to record that also in credit side. What's the amount? 1,800. What's the amount? 1,800. Now again go for the creditor. What's happening to the creditor? Creditor is increasing or decreasing? Creditor is also decreasing, right? Creditor is decreasing, right? Now say me, this is increase, this is decrease. So when a liability is decreasing, we are supposed to debit or credit? We are supposed to debit. Now what's the amount? May 18,000 should be what? Debited. Now what's our double entry, guys? Now easy, right? What's our double entry? Cash account should be credited by 16,200. So first one, is it correct or wrong? First one is definitely incorrect. Why? Cash account is credited by 18,000 wrong. Here cash account credited by 20,000. It is also wrong. Third one is what? Cash account credit by 16,200. It is correct, right? Here, cash account credit 16,200, correct. But here also 18,000. It is also wrong, no, guys. So definitely our answer should be what? Third one. Now let's check the other thing also. Is it correct or wrong? Discount received should be credited by 1,800. May discount received account credited by 1,800. Next one is what? Creditors account debit 18,000. Here, creditors account is debited by 18,000. So that is our answer, right? Third one, see how easy to get the answer. If you all know, guys, these are very interesting. If you know the basics and if you know the logic, why am I debiting, why am I crediting, why am I putting plus, why am I putting minus, why am I putting this side, that side, all the things, if you all know it properly, the things will be really easy, guys, right? There is no any difficult questions in this paper. All the questions are interesting and questions which you all should know the theory with. If you all know the theory well, the things will be really easy. Can I get the quick confirmation, guys, from you people? Did you all understand the question number 19 and 20? For the 19 answer should be 2. For the 20 answer number 3. Guys, please don't think that I'm being rude here. The thing is, if I'm trying to explain this question again, it will take around 5 to 6 or 10 minutes again, guys. That will be a problem. So please take the YouTube video, guys. By tonight, definitely I'll be uploading, guys, this and the previous recordings to the YouTube. Please check the YouTube video. In case still if you come across a doubt, just put me a WhatsApp text. Definitely I'll reply you people. Can you all confirm me? Did you all understand? This is how you should do this question, guys. We can do it directly also with the shortcuts and stuff. So if I do it through the shortcut, you people will wonder what am I doing here. Can everyone give a reply? I need the reply from everyone, not 1 or 2 people. Not exactly, not 1 or 2 people, like around 18, 19, yeah. 27. Others, everyone. It's just a matter of putting a C here. You people used to text all midnight, no guys, for the different people. For your friends or anyone else, for your people, you will be texting all the midnight until 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. Now, when I ask you people to say whether is it clear or not, you people are like wondering whether am I to put a message or not. Just put a C, guys. Some people are like, no, so it seems. I know you people know. You all can text all the midnight till morning. So when I ask you people whether is it clear, like around 27:32, like those people only putting the message. Some people like dad will take the phone at 11 itself. Okay, now it's still 10:05, right? You all can put a reply now. Okay, guys, are you all clear? Guys, there's a one student with a doubt here. So I don't understand how you got the second accounting equation. Second accounting equation I got from this area here. Cash paid amount is 16,200. So your cash will decrease by 16,200. So this is a discount received amount here. This is a discount received amount. So discount received is an income. So that one I can put it over the equity, and liability I can put it over here. So that's how I did, guys. Here someone has put an arrow and show you people. Okay, guys, shall we move on to the next question? Yeah, very easy, right? The one who put the arrow, can you take it off now? The student is scared, it seems. Okay. I can't do it from my end, guys. The one who did itself, just take it off. Okay. So without further delay, let's go for the 21st question. Okay. Perfect. Okay. 21st question, let's go on. Okay. Guys, this is very basic. Basic in the sense, very basics. Now, anyone, like everyone out here should be able to answer. Sales account is a what? 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 Sales account is a income. So can I go with the option number 3 and 4? Can I go with the option number 3 and 4? No. Now, next one is what? Drawings is a what? Drawings is an equity or expense. Most of will have you all the, like most of the people will have this doubt. Equity or expense. I'm receiving both the answer. Like some people are saying it as expense. Some people are saying it as equity. Okay, now wait, let me take you all through here. What I have wrote here. You people know to read English, right? You people know to read English, ne? So what I have wrote here, DRAWINGS. What is it? So now also a student is saying it as expense. Guys, you all can see it, right? You all can see it, right? Drawings is a what? Drawings is a what? It's a component of equity, guys. Remember, drawings and expense are two different things. Don't put that together. Don't put these drawings under the expense. Remember, drawings is not an expense at all. Drawings is equity, guys. Drawings is a component of me equity. Drawings and expenses are two different things. Please take that off your head. Just now itself be very clear. Drawings is not a component of expense. Drawings is something else. Expense is something else. Remember, drawings is an example for equity. Drawings is an example for equity. All the people who told as expense, are you clear? Drawings is a equity gear. So what should be the answer for this question? I think the answer should be the first one, right? The answer should be first one. Please don't make these errors. Are you all clear? The ones who told it as expense, are you clear? Yeah. Okay. Next one, 22nd question. 22nd question. Out of the following, select the transaction that should be recorded in the general journal. Okay. Now, in order to record in the general journal, what should be there, guys? The transaction which you can't record in any other prime entry book only will be taken to what? General journal. The transaction which you can't record in any other prime entry book should be recorded in the what? General journal. Guys, yeah, in the seminar, we'll be doing each and every prime entry book in detail. In I guess it's a second seminar, right? Yeah, in the second seminar, we will be doing cash book, bank account, petty cash book, purchase journal, sales journal, general journal. Everything will be doing in the seminar 2, not the seminar 1. Seminar 1, the entire double entry basics A to Z will be covered in the seminar 1. Seminar 2, we will be doing all the prime entry book, and seminar 3 and seminar 4. I hope you all would have seen the flyer, right? So let me not waste the time by discussing that here. Let me quickly discuss this past paper question and finish it off. Okay, guys. Right. So 22nd question. Out of the following select the transaction that should be recorded in the general journal. Select the transaction that should be recorded in the what? General journal. Let's go one by one. Obtaining rupees 2000 cash by the owner for personal use. Now, anyone will say, no, guys, anything cash related transaction should be recorded in which prime entry book? Cash related transaction should be recorded in which prime entry book? Cash related transaction should be recorded in which prime entry book? Cash book. Should be recorded in which prime entry book? Cash book. So can I take the first one as the answer? No. Let me keep the first let me keep the what? First transaction out. Now second one is what, guys? Writing of rupees 2000 from debtor as bad debt. Now this is an adjustment entries, no, guys. In your book also, they have given you all only 3 examples. In your book also, they have given you all only 3 examples as far as I remember. Like what? Purchase of non-current asset on credit, sales of non-current asset on credit, and goods sold. So these 3 things are the example which they have given in your textbook. I think I'm correct. But guys, like in overall, if we see like dishonored checks, adjustment entries, correction of accounting errors, all those things will be taken to the general journal. That's the idea there. According to our question, for the 22nd question, answer should be the second one because it is an adjustment entry. Because it is a what? Adjustment entry. Let's assume in the exam you all don't know this. Let me think I am also a student. Let me think I am also a student, the one who are doing the exam with you people. Now, if I am confused in the exam, what I will be doing is what, guys? I will be keeping that second option as it is. Because I don't know, I will be keeping it as it is. I will be checking the third and fourth option. And I will eliminate if it is perfectly incorrect. So let me eliminate those things. If purchasing a machine for rupees 100,000 in cash, come on, if it is a cash related transaction, again, it will be recorded in what prime entry book? Cash book. So definitely third one will also not be our answer. Fourth one is what? Purchasing a stock on credit. It is what? I told you 2 criteria to record in the purchase journal. You are purchasing a stock. Also, it is on credit. So you will be recording in which prime entry book, guys? You will be recording in the what? Purchase journal. You will be recording which prime entry book? Purchase journal. So therefore, definitely I can take the fourth one as also answer. Therefore, I can go with the what? Second option. Guys, in this paper, like you all understand the 2 questions which we discussed. The thing is a bit out, not exactly out of the syllabus. Don't misunderstand me. It is not out of the syllabus. It is a bit advanced, guys. The 2 MCQs which I discussed, the answer option is really advanced. But the other options, if you all notice, that is really easy to figure out, right? The first option, second, third option, and fourth option, easily you all can figure out the prime entry book is cash book and purchase journal KL. So you can go with the second option easily, right? Did you all understand? If the examiner is making a question difficult, the answer options are easy, right? Did you understand that? If he's putting a new thing into the paper, the other 3 options are really easy, right? Did you all understand? Guys, remember, if they use it for the business purpose or whatever the purpose can be, but if it is a cash related transaction, that should definitely taken to the cash book, right? Remember that. Let it be for any purpose. If it is a cash related transaction, definitely it should be recorded in the what? Cash book. Understood the student who asked that doubt? Are you people clear? Yeah, if it is not a stock, if it is a non-current asset, it will be recorded in the general journal. But here specifically they are saying as stock, right? Therefore it should be taken to the purchase journal. Are you people clear? Are you people clear? Everyone. Quick reply. Can you just let me know for me to move on to the other question? These questions, right? Easily all can get the answer. Yeah, next one is what, guys? Answer the question number 23 and 24 using the following information. The balance of the bank account as at 30th September 2017 was rupees 14,100. The balance of the bank statement was different on that date due to the following reason. So they have given you all some reasons, guys. So you all should get the answer. Now you can you all quickly say me. What are the 5 reasons? So okay, I explained that once, right? So you all can check that recording. Let me do this question quickly. Guys, see first one, what are they asking? From the above, what caused the increase in balance of bank account? Which means they're asking what? The transaction which will increase the bank account than the balance in the bank statement. Now, can you people say me once I wrote in the different sheet. Can you all remember what will increase and what will decrease, Kela, to do a question? I explain you all a long format and the short format. Can I know how many of you all were there? Can I know how many of you all were there? Once I explained, right? Some people sent me that working also. Once I explain, no guys, because of this will be more, this will be low. Because of direct remittance, this will be more and this will be low. Because of standing order payment, this will be low and this will be less scale. I explained all. Can you all remember the ones who were there like around 60 or 60, 59 were there that day? Can you all let me know? The recordings are uploaded to the YouTube. Okay. The recordings are uploaded to the YouTube. Okay. Yeah. Guys, please get the use. The thing why, like the reason why I am not giving you all the recording is sometimes you all will put the message in the morning, sir, recording kill. I will be seeing that message in the afternoon, and then I will be sending you all the recording evening. So you all will be seeing the recording next day. So to avoid all those problem only, I am directly uploading it to the YouTube. So morning, if you want to see, go for the YouTube, check the recording and finish it off. Afternoon, if you want, go for the YouTube, check the recording and finish it off. So that's the main target there, guys. So not to get any publicity or anything by uploading to the YouTube. I will not be paid from the YouTube or anything, guys. I'm just uploading it to the YouTube for make you people's life easy. So please get the maximum out of it and then and there finish it off and what? Complete the things properly and keep, because don't think at the last moment you can start from 2015 and complete until 2020 and you can go for the exam perfectly and do the question killer. Don't be with that mindset, guys. Definitely that will not happen. Trust me, guys. If you load the works properly, like if you load every works and keep to do at the last moment, trust me, nothing will happen. So from now onwards, finish the work then and there, guys. Finish the work then and there, and then at the last moment, without any pressure, without any problem, without any tension, you can easily manage the things. You can put the importance work ahead and you can give the priority for the important stuffs and do. So comparing to the business studies, other subjects, you all should put some attention, no guys. You all should put some effort, no. Like it's obvious, right? Math, science, history, those subjects are what complicated than this, right? It's a bit difficult than this, right? So really, you all should put some effort for that. So that's I'm also agreeing that. So in that case, at the last moment, you all can watch these recordings and wait. So now itself, record the watch these recordings and make sure that you people are clear. Okay, now see here the balance of the bank account as at 30th September 2017 was 14,100. What is this balance? Bank account balance. Bank account balance is how much? 14,100. Okay. The balance of the bank statement was different on that date due to the following reason. Guys, can you all give me a minute? Can you all give me a minute? That day I asked some people to send me a screenshot also. So I got from some people. Can you all just forward me that message again so I can show that to the screen, because many people are messaging me. So I didn't be in that session, Kela. Guys, can anyone forward me that the screenshot which you all sent me that day? So I can take it to the screen and explain it properly, guys. The thing is, I can just rush it over here, but that will not make sense at all. I want you people to understand completely. If you all are spending 2 hours here, make sure that you all get the maximum out of these 2 hours. Guys, can anyone just forward me quickly? I'll give you all 1 to 2 minutes. Can you all just forward me quickly? Guys, can you all see? Can you all see? This is what I wrote that day, right? This is what I wrote that day, right? Wait, let me take it over there by taking a screenshot. Give me a minute. Okay, now see this question. Now see this question. What they are saying? The balance of the bank account as at 30th September is 14,100. The balance of the bank statement was different. So they have given you all three reasons, right? Now here what they are saying, from the above, which caused the increase in the balance of the bank account than the bank statement balance. Now say me which one is higher, guys? Bank account balance is higher or bank statement balance is higher? Bank account balance is higher than the bank statement, right? Which caused the increase in the balance in the bank account, right? Now bank account balance is highest, right? Now let me go for my working sheet and check. Let me go for my, sorry, I was not sharing the screen, right? Here, this is the screen. Now what are they saying, guys? Here, from the above, which caused the increase in the balance of bank account, right? Bank account balance is higher than the bank statement balance. Now let's go for the working sheet which I gave you all that day. Now according to this question, what happening, guys? Our bank account balance is higher, right? Our bank account balance is higher. Now I can't scribble through here, guys. Yes, I can use it, right? Can you see what I'm writing? Can you see what I'm writing? Can you all confirm me? Can you all see what I'm writing over here? I all can see it, right? Now, according to this question, what has happened, right? Bank account balance is higher, right? Bank account balance is higher than the what? Bank statement balance. Now, let's go one by one. So, here in this case, bank statement is higher. Can our answer be an unprecedented check? No, our answer can't be an unprecedented check because for an unprecedented check, bank statement balance will be high. Our answer can be an unrealized take, right? Here, our answer can be an unrealized take, right? So our answer can be an unrealized take. Why? Because of an unrealized take, bank account will be high. Our answer can't be a direct remittance also. And our answer can be a what? Standing order payment, or else our answer can be a what? Our answer can be what? Our answer can be bank and checkbook charges also. So let's go and find. Let's go and find quickly. So our answer can't be unpresented check and our answer can't be standing order payment. Our answer can't be what? Unpresented check and sorry. Our answer can't be unpresented check and our answer can't be what? Direct remittances because of those two things, bank statement balance will be higher. Remember, unpresented and standing order payment we can't take. Now let's go for working sheet back again. Okay. Now first one is what, guys? Check deposited but not realized 8,000. Check deposited but not realized 18,000. Can you all say me? Can I take this or not? Only I can't take what? I can't take what? What are the two things I can't take it here, guys? Wait. What are the two things I can't take it here? It went away, no? What are the two things I can't take it here? Unpresented and direct remittance. Just remember, okay? Unpresented and direct remittance I can't take. So let me write it over here. Unpresented I can't take and direct remittance also I can't take. So I can't take the what? Unpresented check and direct remittances. Am I correct, guys? I can't take. I can't see that screen. That's the thing here. What are the things I can't take? Unpresented and direct remittances, right? Can you confirm me because I can't see that screen? Yes, right? Can anyone? Yeah. Okay. Unpresented and direct remittances I can't take as my answer here. Now see here, guys. Now see here how to figure out the answer properly. Now these works and all I already gave you all know, guys. These workings, all those things that day in the last class itself I gave you all. So when you all are doing this kind of a question, when you all do this kind of a question, you all should be able to recall all those things, right? Now still you people can see that previous working, right? Now can you all see the paper? There are many screens for me to share, guys, because I can't share everything. When I open this PDF with that writing format, it take it used to stack at sometimes. Okay. Now our answer can't be what, guys? So make sure that you people are clear. Okay. Make sure that you people are clear. Okay. So I can't take unpresented check. Also, I can't take direct remittances as my answer. Now let's go one by one. Let's go one by one. First one is what? Check deposited but not realized. Can I take realized check? Realized check, no any problem, no, guys. Because of realized check, definitely bank account balance will be higher, so I can take it. In last class, I explained all how those things are working properly in logical format. Now you all can check the recording. Now next one, see, I told you direct remittances can't take care, right? So B is a direct remittance transaction. So can you take as the answer? Can't. So this one can't be our answer. This one also can't be our answer. So let's check the third one. Insurance payment on standing order payment. Come on, standing order payment you can take, right? Only you can't take unpresented and direct remittances, right? So therefore we can go with our answer 3. Therefore we can go with our answer 3. Very easy, guys, if you all know the theory. Very easy if you all know the theory. Can you like, I hope you all understood this question. Please take some time and go through that. The ones who are not in the session that day also, I hope you all understood now. In case if you all didn't understand, take around 10 to 15 minutes. You all can just open the YouTube recording, go for the relevant question and check it properly. Okay. And what is next question, guys? Next question, you all should do the working now, guys. What are they saying? Adjusted bank account. So quickly you can draw the what? Quickly you can draw the what? Adjusted bank account. Quickly you can draw the what? Adjusted bank account. What's the opening balance they have given? Opening balance they have given 14,100. So check deposited but not realized. So unrealized check will be adjusted in what? Unrealized check will be adjusted in bank reconciliation statement. Direct remittances will be adjusted here, right? So I can put the 2,500 as direct remittances. Insurance payment on standing order payment will also be adjusted on credit side. So this is what insurance. This is what insurance. Now, if I balance this off, if I balance it off, guys, what will be the answer? 14,100 plus 2,500 will give you the answer 16,600. 16,600. So from 16,600, if you deduct what? From 16,600, if you deduct 3,500, what's the answer? Quickly, can you people let me know? Is it 13,100? Yeah, balance brought forward and balance carried down is what? 13,100. So can you all find the answer which consists of 13,100? Yeah, you can go with the answer option, but 3 also. Guys, are you people clear? Guys, not difficult, guys. These are really easy. Please try to get an A. If you all can't get an A in this subject, I don't know what you all are going to do after this. So still you all have enough time. Still you all have enough time. What, how many days you all have, guys? Is it 32? 32 or 37 or 39? I can't exactly remember. Can I know how many days you people are having? Some people are saying 40, some people are saying 39, some people are saying 38. You people are doing the exam on the same day, right? You people are doing the exam on the same day, right? Some people are 37, it seems. Some people are 38, some people are 39, some people are 40. Okay. Yeah, okay. Next one, let's go for the 25th question, guys. Okay. The amount of petty cash interest of business is 3,000. The petty cash expenses during the month of September is 2,800. On 1st of October, 3,300 has been reimbursed. Select the correct statement with regard to the petty cash interest, petty cash of Sarana's business. Can you all quickly let me know the format what I taught your last class? First, there will be something called as what? Impressed. This is the format I taught you all know, guys. I don't know whether you all have studied in your theory class or anywhere, but this is the thing I taught you all, right? From the impressed, you should deduct what? From the impressed, you should deduct the expenses, then you will be able to get the what? Balance. From that, if from the impressed, if you deduct the expenses, you will be able to get the balance. Now let's fill this part. The amount of petty cash impressed is 3,000. So I can put it over here as what? 3,000. The petty cash expenses during the month is how much? 2,800. Okay. Now, can you all say me what will be the balance? If they have given two things, you can find one thing, no, guys. So from 3,000, if you deduct 2,800, what is your balance? Balance is 300. Now, what's happening? On 1st of October, rupees 3,300 has been reimbursed. Select the correct statement with regard to the petty cash of Sarana's business. Now say here, actually, if the interest is still at 3,000, if the interest is still remaining at 3,000, how much they would have reimbursed? How much they would have reimbursed? They have a balance of 200. From 200 to come to the 3,000, they would have reimbursed the 2,800. They would have reimbursed the 2,800. But actually, are they reimbursing 2,800? No. In this question, they are reimbursing how much? 3,300, which means if they are reimbursing 3,300, now what you all should understand, if they don't increase the interest, they should have been reimbursed 2,800. Now, what could be the reason for them to reimburse 3,300? They have reimbursed 500 extra, right? They have reimbursed 500 extra, right? What could be the reason? They would have increased the petty cash interest by 500. They would have increased the petty cash interest by 500, then only from 200. By reimbursing an total of 3,300, they will be able to get, or they will be come to the interest level to 3,500. Can I know how many of you understood this? Before going for the answer option, did you all understand this working? Now, if you sort out with the working, you can go for the answer option one by one and see. Actually, they should have reimbursed 2,800. But these people are reimbursing 3,300 means what should come to your head? Interest has been increased by 500. So interest has increased by 500. Now let's go for the answer option one by one. See, the value of petty cash interest for the October is 3,500. Sounds correct, right? The value of petty cash interest for the month of October is 3,500 here. Our petty cash interest is increasing or it is 3,500, right? No. So it sounds correct. So let me take this answer for now. Let me check the other options and come. The balance of the petty cash here as at 30th September is 500. Guys, is the balance is 500 or 200? Is the balance is 500 or 200? Is the balance is 500 or 200? Balance is 200, right? Balance is 200, right? So can you consider it as an answer? No, it is a utter lie. Next one is what? The petty cash expenses for the month of September is 3,300. Now in the question itself, they are saying right here. In the question itself, they are saying, see, guys, if you all know English, you can do. You don't want to know what is impressed or what is those things in English. You all know that they will be giving you all a story or something, and they will be asking you all to write some answer. It is something like that, right? Here they have clearly told petty cash expenses is 2,800. It's and here they are saying as what petty cash expense for the month of September 3,300. Will anyone go and answer? There are some students who will still go and answer without reading it properly. So can you take the third one as the answer? Third one also you can't take it as the answer, right? And fourth one is what? The increase of petty cash interest is 300. No, right? The increase is here, the increase is 500, right? Increase is 500, right? So here they are saying it as 300. So can you take as the answer? No, so you can go with the answer number one. Understood, you people? Like a good child, can you all reply quickly? Are you all clear? So far with the 25 questions, are you all clear? I'm not rushing anywhere. I'm taking my time to explain, guys. The things should go to your head properly. Guys, when you all attending this past paper session, you all don't want to use that number which I gave for the seminar series. You all can just come with your name. There's a question, guys, but they already have 200 balance. No, yeah, they have already have a balance of 200. They are reimbursing 3,300. That makes the interest of 3,500, right? But final question, what they are saying, the increase in petty cash interest is 300. Are they increasing it by 300? No, right? They are increasing it by 500. They are totally increasing it by 500. Okay. Sir, can you explain how you got 3,500? How did I got that 3,500? Here, I have a balance of 200. I have a balance of 200. So when I have a balance of 200, if they are reimbursing in total 3,300, so 3,300 plus 200 will give you the answer. What? Give you the answer 3,500, right? Guys, are you clear shape? If it is shape, just put a S quickly for me to move on to the other question. Clear, clear. Others, just reply, give a reply quickly. Others, there will be a definite question, guys. Only the value might be different. Other than that, the idea, the theory, the question pattern, everything will be same in your paper also. You people are going to get a paper one fine day, maybe Wednesday, I guess. Yeah, Wednesday is the last day, right? So this will be your last subject. This will be your last subject. So do it properly and come home to be happy till the results release. Guys, just think about this. In case if you do a if you didn't do a subject well, if you didn't do a subject well, till the results are released, till they issue all the results, you all will be wondering what will be your results and will it be A or will it be C or will it be a W? You all will wonder. So as it is a first shot, do it properly and come home, guys. So until the results release, you can enjoy and you can do whatever you people want. Okay. 26th question. 26th question. Purchase journal is, guys, purchase journal is a what? Do I want to discuss this question? That's the answer. Purchase journal is a what? Come on quickly. Purchase journal is a what? And I got an answer as one. Remember, you people are going to do the exams in 39 or 37 or 40 days. Purchase journal is a prime entry book. Remember, guys, purchase journal is a what? Prime entry book. So therefore, you can go with the answer number 2. Next one is what? Obtaining 10 pots of curd by Shukri that are produced in her own business for her family function is recorded. Now say me, guys. Okay. Now say me what it is first. What it is first. What transaction is it? What transaction is it? What's the one word you can give it here? What's the one word you can give it here? What's the one word you can give it here? Okay, some people are saying it as drawings. Okay, now if drawings is correct, guys, but there are two types of drawings, right? What are the two types of drawings? What are the two types of drawings? Cash drawings, and also we can say it as what? Goods drawings also there, right? Wait, yeah. We have what? Just give me a minute. It used to happen, guys, like in that day also it was happening, right? Give me a minute. Okay. Yeah. What are the two types of drawings we have, guys? First one is what? Cash drawing. Second one is what? Goods drawing. Where do we record the cash drawings? You all know cash drawings is whatever said in done cash related transaction, right? So therefore you can nicely go and record in the cash book. But if it is a goods drawings, where do you record? If it is a goods drawings, where do we record? In the what? A general journal. So according to this question, owner is taking stocks from the business, right? Owner is taking goods from the business, right? So what is the source document? So sorry, what is the prime entry book? The prime entry book will be what? General journal. The prime entry book will be what? General journal. Okay. Next one is what, guys? Next one is what? 28 and 29 are similar question, right? Yeah. Answer question number 28 and 29 using following information. The double entry which record the discount allowed to a debtor rupees 1,200 of a business is as follows. So they have allowed a discount of 1,200, but they have recorded it as what? Discount allowed debit 2,100, debtors account credit 2,100. Now say me, guys, how to do this? Okay, now actually when you are allowing a discount, when you are okay, actually when you are allowing a discount, guys, can you all say what's the double entry when you are allowing a discount? When you are allowing a discount, what's the double entry? Discount allowed account will be debited and debtors account will be credited. Discount allowed account will be debited and debtors account will be credited. Now, according to this question, how much you have allowed as discount? Here, how much you have allowed as discount? You have allowed 1,200 as discount. So, discount allowed account should be debited by 1,200. Discount allowed account should be debited by 1,200. Okay, before going for that, last class also, what did I told you? Do the incorrect entry. No, what they have done actually, they have gone and debited 2,100 here, and they have gone and credit 2,100 here. In here, this is what I have done. The thing what they have done. But now see me, guys. Actually, in debit side, how much to be recorded? Actually, in debit side, how much we should record? What's the actual discount allowed amount? 1,200. Therefore, my discount allowed account should be debited only by how much? My discount allowed account should be debited only by how much? My discount allowed account should be debited only by 1,200. But our accountant has gone and debited 2,100. Same like that, debtors account should be credited only by 1,200. But our accountant has deducted or our accountant has credited 2,100. So what does that mean? Let's go for the answer option one by one and see. First one, see, the total of the debit and credit column of the trial balance are not equal. Guys, is it correct or wrong? They have done the debit and credit entry with the same amount, right? They have done the debit and credit entry with the same amount, right? So will it make a difference in trial balance? No, trial balance will be same, right? Even though error has been taken place, come on, debit and credit entry are made with the same amount, right? 2,100 has been debited, 2,100 has credited. So there will not be any issue in the what? There will not be any issue in the trial balance, right? So I can't take the first option as the answer. Second one is what? They are talking about suspense account, no? So I taught you what? If the trial balance are not equal, only you can take what? If the trial balance are not equal, only there will be an impact on suspense account. We told according to this question, trial balance will be equal, right? So can there be an impact on suspense account? No. Suspense account is also out. Now our answer should be either third one or fourth one. Third one, what they are saying. So can I know the answer? Can I know the answer? Is it 3 or 4? Yeah, I'm receiving 3 from some people and 4 from some people. Is it 3 or 4? Now you all should logically argue and make sure, guys, if you are taking third one as the answer, you should logically argue and prove that fourth one is incorrect here. If you are saying fourth one as your answer, logically you people should be able to say that the what? Third one is incorrect here. That's the idea here. Don't just get the answer as the third one or fourth one without knowing whether the other one is correct or incorrect. Let me go, guys. Okay, most of them are saying as third one, right? Let me go for the fourth one and make it as incorrect. Fourth one, what's happening? See, discount allowed rupees 900 has been recorded in incorrect side. Guys, now say me, has it anywhere recorded in incorrect side? No, actually here it should be recorded in the credit and debit, right? This has been correctly recorded, right? They are saying as incorrect side, no. So definitely it is not incorrect side, right? In the correct side they have made the error. In the what? Correct side they have made the error. That's the error they have made. So therefore I can't take the what? Therefore I can't take the fourth one as the answer. Therefore I can't take the what? Fourth one as the answer. Now if I can't take the fourth one as the answer, definitely I should take my third one as the answer. Now I should logically prove you people that third one is correct. How can I do that? See, discount allowed 900 has been recorded in the relevant account in excess. It is correct, right? Actually, now say me, actually discount allowed is 1200 means I should have debited only how much? Here I should have debited 1200 and here I should have credited 1200. That's the actual double entry. Instead of debiting 1200, if I have debited 2100, I have debited 900 in excess, right? I have debited 900 in excess, right? Did you people understand that? So third one is logically correct, no? Understood? Understood? You people understood? Are you all clear? Did you all understand? Can I just give a reply quickly? Others also just give a reply quickly. The selected people are replying again and again repeatedly. Yes, I received as understood from all the students. Yeah. Okay. That's what you all should do, guys. Simply the what, if you all know the double entry properly, you can do right. What discount allowed is debited by 2100 and debtors account has been credited by 2100. But actually, we are supposed to debit 1200. Actually, we are supposed to debit 1200 here. Actually, the discount allowed amount is 1200. No, so we are supposed to debit only 1200. But what as our accountant done here? He has debited 2100. Actually, he should debit how much? Actually, he should debit only 1200, but here they have debited 2100, which means they have recorded a 900 in excess, right? So that is the thing there. Next one is what? The double entry to rectify the above errors. Now say me, in order to rectify the above error, they have recorded as 2100. They have recorded as 2100. So this 2100 I should make it to 1200 so that 900 excess should be removed, right? So how can I remove that 900 in excess? How can I remove that 900 in excess? So these things I can what? Do in the opposite entry to what? Eliminate the excess amount. So what could be the correct answer, guys? Debtors account debit 900 and discount allowed account should be what? Credited by 900. The answer should be what? The first one itself. These are very easy, guys. Please understand the double entry properly and do it. Can you explain the second option once again, sir? Second option, what's happening? See, second option, they are saying is what? The debit balance of rupees 900 occurs in suspense account. How did I eliminate this? Suspense account will come to the play only when the trial balance is not equal. According to this question, we figured out that the trial balance will be equal here. That's what we eliminate the first option, right? We came to a conclusion that the trial balance will be equal. If the trial balance is equal, will there be an impact on suspense account? No, right? So therefore, I can cut off the second option also. Simple as that. Okay. 30th question. The number of members in Superior Sports Association as at 1st of January 2016 were 300. How many members are there? Sorry, not 300, were 200. The monthly membership fee is 50. Guys, please note whether it is monthly membership fee or annual membership fee. You people might go wrong. Just note it whether is it monthly membership fee or annual membership fee. So it is monthly membership fee 50. For the year 2016, 30 members have not paid their membership fee. So they're asking for the what? They're asking for the incorrect statement. They're asking for the correct statement, or they're asking for the incorrect statement. They're asking for the incorrect statement. So three options will be incorrect. Sorry, three options will be correct. Only one option will be incorrect. So let's go one by one. See, the membership fee income indicated in the income statement is 120,000. So what is the annual membership fee? 200 members are there. 200 members are there. Per member should pay monthly 50 into 12 months. Can I know the answer for this, guys? Can I know the answer for this? 200 into 600 will give you the answer 120,000, right? So first one is what? First statement is correct. So they are asking for the incorrect. So I can go with the first option. This is the working for the first one. Second one is what? What is the second option? Okay, what is the second option? The membership fee indicated in the receipts and payment account for the year ended 2016. So what you should understand, receipts and payment account, what do we record, guys? In the receipt and payment account, we will be recording the actual cash inflow, right? Actually, how much we have received by cash. See here, out of 200 members, how many members didn't pay? 30 members didn't pay means how many members would have paid? Only 170 members would have paid. So if 170 members would have paid, they will be paying as 50 into 12 per month, 50 into 12 months, right? So can you all quickly calculate and let me know the answer? So what's the answer you all are receiving here? 170,000 into 600. What's the answer? Can you all just let me know the answer? 170 into 600. What's the answer? It is equal to 102,000, right? It is equal to 102,000. So again, this statement also what? Again, this statement is also correct, right? Again, this statement is also correct. So can I take this as the answer? No. Why? Because they are asking for the incorrect one, right? They are asking for the incorrect one, right? Next one is what? The monthly membership fee income is 10,000. The monthly membership fee is how much, guys? 10,000. Is the monthly membership fees income? Monthly membership fee income is 10,000 or no? How many members are there? How many members are there? There are how many members? There are 200 members. So per member should pay monthly 50. No. So I don't want it to multiply by multiply it by 12 here, right? Because they are not asking for the annual, right? They are asking the what? The monthly membership fee. So 200 members are there. One member will be paying 50 as a monthly membership fee. So 200 into 50 will again give you the answer how much? 10,000. So you can go with this answer also. So you should do the calculation for all three, all the questions. So definitely our answer will be what? Fourth one. Now let me confirm why the fourth one is our answer. Wait, again started, guys. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. So according to this question, what is our answer? Fourth one. Now let's check why the fourth one is incorrect. They are saying as what? The membership fee to be received is 1,500. It seems. So how much to be received? How many members didn't pay? 30 members didn't pay, right? So 30 members didn't pay. From one member, we will be receiving 50 for how many months? For 12 months, right? For 12 months. So what will be the answer? So 30 into 600 will give you the answer how much? 13 to 600 will give you the answer 18,000, right? So here they are saying it as what? 1,500 KL. So it is the wrong answer. Therefore, you can go with the fourth option. Did you all understand? You should do the calculation for all the question, guys. So to understand it better, you should know the theory part properly. What to record in the income statement, what to record in the receipts and payment account. All those things you should be very clear over here. Next one is what? 31st question. Select the correct answer from the select the correct answer for the following blank. Direct material plus direct labor cost plus direct other cost will give you the answer total production cost itself. So definitely here there should be what? So the total of these things are known as what, guys? The total of these things are known as what? Prime cost or primary cost. So can you take the first one? Primary cost plus primary cost, is it total production cost? No. Profit margin, yeah, there is no any connected with profit margin. Production costs also no any problem here, right? So definitely answer should be what? The indirect cost, right? So what is the another name for indirect cost? Another name for indirect cost is what? Production overhead. So you can go with the answer number 2. Next one is what? The expenditure of rupees 8,000 spent on purchase of clay by a business which produces bricks. Now, in order to produce bricks, they are purchasing clay. Now that clay is a direct material or indirect material, or direct labor or indirect labor? What it is, guys? Definitely, in order to produce a brick, without the clay, can you produce a brick? Can you people say me, without a clay, can you produce a brick? Without a clay, can you people produce a brick? Without timber, can you produce a table? Can't me? Same like that. Without any clay, can you produce a brick? No. Brick is the main thing you need, right? Therefore, it is the direct material. It is the direct material. So if it is direct material, it is coming for the what? Primary cost, right? So you can take the first one as the answer. It is not indirect. It is not indirect. Production of it is also indirect. So you can go with the answer number one. Very easy question. Next one is what? 33rd question. On 1st of January 2015, a machine was purchased for rupees 600,000. So what is the cost, guys? Cost is 600,000. The effective useful life is 5 years. Useful life is how much? 5 years. Useful life is how much? 5 years, which means you can use this machine for how long? You can use it for 5 years. At the end of the lifetime, the scrap value of the machine is 100,000. Guys, what can you only say me the similar name for the scrap value? What are the similar name for the scrap value? They can use any of the word in your paper. Can I know the similar names for the scrap value? What are the other possible ways they can ask? Instead of saying one student is like accumulated depreciations. Guys, don't be lost here. I'm asking what are the similar name for the scrap value? A student is like net value, it seems. Others, can you all give me your answer? As I asked this question only, I can understand how you people are making wrong. See, one is accumulated depreciation, one is net value. Others, what are the similar name for scrap value? What is mean by scrap value? Yeah, I got a correct answer from a student. Also, it is a boy. I got two incorrect answer from girls and one correct answer from boy, and another incorrect answer from girl, another incorrect answer from girl, another incorrect answer from boy. So totally there were one correct answer from a boy and five incorrect answer from a girl. So now did you understand who is more talented here? Still I am receiving, yeah, I got a correct answer from a girl also. Others cannot just give a try for me to see what is mean by what is mean by scrap value. One is like listed value, it seems. Others cannot just give a try for me to see. These are very easy questions, guys. Can you all quickly say me what is scrap value? Guys, remember scrap value means what? I'm gonna start it. Wait. Scrap value means what? Scrap value means what? Remember, scrap value means another name for what? Scrap value means another name for residual value. Remember, scrap value means what? Scrap value means what? Another name for what? Residual value. So what are the similar names we have, guys? Just make sure that you all know these things. Yeah? So simply by without knowing the meaning, don't make mistakes in the paper. First one you can say it as what? First one you can say it as what? Scrap value. Or else you can say it as what? Guys, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. First one you can say it as what? Here, as they have told here, you can call it as what? You can call it as scrap value. Also, you can call it as what? Also, you can call it as what? Residual value. Also, you can call it as what? Salvage value. So these are similar names, sir. Salvage value. Or else you can call it as what? Scrap value. So simply without knowing the meaning, don't go and make mistakes in the paper. Please don't go and make mistakes in the paper without knowing the terms here. Okay. Some people are like, sir, just today hearing them. Remember 39 or 37 or 36 or 40 days are there to the exam. Okay. So remember what are the similar names for the scrap value? There can be a simple MCQ also. There can be a simple MCQ also. Who knows? So make sure that you all know all the names. Scrap value, residual value, salvage value, everything gives you the similar name. So you people are familiar with the residual value, right? You people are familiar with the residual value. So make sure that you people know the what? Make sure that you people know the other terms also. Guys, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me right? Guys, there's nothing here to explain. I'm just giving all the similar name. Just for the residual value, what are the similar name we have? Salvage value and what? We can also call it as scrap value. Further, what do they say? How much is the accumulated depreciation that should be included in the statement of financial position as at 2016? As at 2016. So they are purchasing it on when, guys? If I draw the timeline, before that, let me calculate the annual depreciation. Let me calculate the what? Annual depreciation. So annual depreciation is equal to cost minus residual value divided by useful life. Divided by what? Useful life. So what is the cost? Cost is 600,000. Cost is 600,000 minus residual value is how much? Residual value is how much? 100,000. Therefore, and also our useful life is what? Our useful, I don't know what's happening today. Yeah. Guys, give me a second. Let me check this. Okay, 600,000. What's the residual value? Residual value is 100,000. Residual value is 100,000. And also the useful life is what? Useful life is 5 years. So can you all let me know what's the annual depreciation? 600,000 minus 100,000 is 500,000. 500,000 divided by 5. What's the annual depreciation? What's the annual depreciation? Annual depreciation is 100,000. Now, can you all go and take the answer number one? No, because they are not asking the annual depreciation. They are asking you what? Accumulated depreciation as at 31st December 2016. So our accounting period is ending on what? Ending on 31st December. Let me draw the timeline here. Our accounting period is ending on what? It is ending on 31st December 2016. So can I know when would have been started? If it is ending on 31st December 2016, can I know what will be the opening date? Opening date you people know as what? It will be what? 1st of January 2016. So these people are purchasing this what? These people are purchasing this on what? 1st of January 2015, right? Which means they are purchasing on 1st of January 2015. So for this year, what would have been the annual depreciation? For this year, annual depreciation will be how much? For this year, annual depreciation will be how much? 100,000. For this accounting period, the annual depreciation will be 100,000. Totally, what's your depreciation then? 100,000 plus 100,000. What is your total accumulated depreciation? Total accumulated depreciation is how much? Total accumulated depreciation is how much? 200,000. So answer should be what? Third one. Remember, they are not asking for the depreciation. They are asking for the annual. They are not asking for the depreciation. They are asking for the accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation means you should include all the depreciation value the previous one. Guys, if you all are really weak in basics, you all have one more chance to cover everything as it is, the complete theory part in our seminar series. So I'm not going to in this sense, I'm not promoting into anything, guys. In case if you all don't know the basic till now, you all can just attend it and see. The ones who join for the business studies seminar, you can ask among them, how was it? In case if you feel it is not okay, anyway, it's fine, guys. You all can just come for the past paper session and cover it off. This is up to you people, but make sure that you people are aware about the basics properly. And this is not a subject where you all should take a BOC. It is you don't want to take a BOC, guys. A very easy subject. Please go for an A. Please go for an A. So in your result sheet, there will be a nice A for the business and accounting studies. So don't go for a BOC, guys. It is not a subject like that. Easily you all can go for an A. Still you all have enough time. Next one is what? 34th question. See the 34th question properly. Okay. Ensuring the building on 1st of July 2016 has paid on the same day as annual insurance fee. Select the correct statement with regard to the above transaction. Now, if I draw the accounting equation here, if I draw the, sorry, not the accounting equation, if I draw the accounting time period, it is ending on 31st December 2016. It is ending on what? 31st December 2016, starting on 1st of January 2016. This is our accounting period. Now, when are they insuring this? Important part. They are insuring on 1st of July 2016. They are insuring when, guys? They are insuring somewhere in middle of the accounting period. They are not insuring on the first day. They are insuring on 1st of July 2016. They are insuring when? They are insuring on 1st of July 2016. So for current accounting period, only this part is relevant, right? For current accounting period, only this part is relevant. For current accounting period, only from what? July months it is relevant. Now what they have paid? Rupees 18,000 has paid on the same day as annual insurance fee. Now see here, guys. On this date, they have paid 18,000. On this date, they have paid 18,000. So if they have paid 18,000, can I know for how many months they have paid this 18,000? Can I know for how many months they have paid this 18,000? Can I know for how many months they have paid this 18,000? They have paid this 18,000 for how many months? I am receiving, some people are saying as 5, some people are saying as 6, some people are saying as 12. Now see here, guys, see annual kya what? Can you all know what is mean by annual? How many months? Annual means for 12 months, right? Annual means for 12 months, right? They have paid 18,000 for how many months? 12 months. So if I divide it by 12, for a month they have paid how much? Can I know for a month how much they have paid? 18,000 divided by 12. What's the answer? They have paid 18,000. 18,000 divided by 12. What's the answer, guys? 18,000 divided by 12 will give you the answer how much? 1,500. So which means what? For a month, you should pay only how much as the insurance fee? 1,500. Are you all clear so far? This is a kind of a question where most of the people will go wrong. Are you all clear? How did I got that 1,500? They have paid 18,000 for annual fee, which means for a month, they should pay 1,500. They should pay 1,500. Are you people clear? Can others also quickly give a reply? Are you people clear? For annual insurance fee they have paid is 18,000. Therefore, we figured out that for 1 month the insurance fee is 1,500. Guys, annual means 1 year. Grade 5, grade 6 maths. Annual means 1 year. Okay. So 18,000 divided by 12, 1,500 is your monthly insurance fee. Is your monthly insurance fee. Now, can you all say me in the accounting period, how many months you are using? In your accounting period, how many months you are using? Only, see, July, August, September, October, November, December, which means what? You should pay only for 6 months, right? You should pay only for how many months? Only 6 months you are getting the insurance in this accounting period. This is our accounting period, right? This is our accounting period. So 6 months into 1,500, 6 into 1,500 will give you the answer how much? 6 into 1,500 will give you the answer how much? 9,000. So what you should understand, the expense for the period, even though you have paid 18,000, your expense for the period is only 9,000 because you are getting this insurance cover from the middle of the period, right? So do you want to pay the insurance for this set of this one also? You don't want to pay, right? Why? Because you are getting the insurance in the middle of this, right? So you should pay the insurance only for this period. You don't want to pay the insurance for everything. Therefore, do you want to pay the insurance for the first part? Do you want to pay the insurance for the first part? No, you don't want to pay the insurance for the first part. Now, what you should understand, if they have paid 18,000, if they have paid 18,000, only 9,000 is for the current accounting period, right? Out of these 18,000 here, 9,000 is for the current accounting period, means 9,000 we have paid in advance, right? We have prepaid it. Are you clear with that? Only 9,000 we should pay for the period. But we people have paid on 18,000, which means 9,000 we have paid in excess. Can you all understand? Are you all clear that 9,000 we have paid in excess? Are you people clear that 9,000 we have paid in excess? Actually, for the accounting period, 6 months into 1,500 is 9,000. But we have paid 18,000, which means we should pay 9,000. But we have paid 18,000 means 9,000 we have paid in advance, right? 9,000 we have paid in advance, right? Now let's go for the answer option one by one. Insurance fee indicated in statement of profit or loss is 18,000. Is it correct or wrong? Guys, what's your annual insurance fee? What's your annual insurance fee? Here, annual insurance fee is only how much? Annual insurance fee is only how much? Annual insurance fee is only 9,000, right? So in your income statement or in your profit or loss, you should put it as 9,000, right? You should put it as 9,000, right? Can you put the whole paid amount 18,000? Can't. You should put it as 9,000. So this is what? Our first answer is incorrect. Our first answer is what? Incorrect. Second one is what? Accrued insurance fees 9,000. Guys, is it an accrued or prepaid? Further, do you want to pay 9,000? No, right? You have paid 9,000 in advance, right? You have paid 9,000 in advance, right? Therefore, they are saying accrued. That is also wrong. Current liability. Is it a current liability? Accrued means a current liability. Is it accrued? Is it a current liability? No, it is not a current liability, right? We have paid in advance. Can we consider it as a payable further? No, because we have paid it in advance, right? Therefore, our correct answer should be what? Fourth one. Fourth one, what they're saying? Prepaid insurance fees 9,000. It is correct, right? See, we should pay only 9,000 for the year. We have used only for this time period. 6 months into 1,500 will give you the answer 9,000 for the period. But our accountant has paid 18,000. Therefore, we should pay 9,000, but we have paid 18,000. Therefore, that 9,000 is a prepaid amount, right? Therefore, the answer should be what? Fourth one. Can I know you people clear or no? I hope it is very clear. I took enough time to explain. Are you people clear? Can you confirm me? I want the reply from everyone. Just put a C if you are clear. Just put a C if you are clear, or just put a S or something for me to understand that you people are clear. As these questions are really, you should have a proper understanding to do. Like if you don't know what is financial statement, if you don't know what is profit or loss, if you don't know what is prepaid, if you don't know what is accrued, and if you come and sit here, you can't get this done, guys. Remember, past paper session in the sense, not like normally discussing all the questions and going, no, I'm explaining the theory as much as possible. Well, by considering time also, as much as possible, I'm explaining you people the theory part also. So along with me, just recall the theory. So later you all don't want to sit and study theory. So just along with me, just revise the theory also. So you can mainly focus on the other subjects. Okay. Okay, right. Next one is related to financial but statements, right? Very easy question, right? Every paper there will be a definite question. Every paper there will be a definite question. See, following a few statement prepared for the year ended 31st December 2016 by a trainee account clerk for the business which was started on 1st of January 2016, employing 360,000 by someone. Now, guys, here, who is preparing this? A trainee is only preparing, right? It is not visible over here. Remember who is preparing this? A trainee person only preparing this. So that trainee person can make some mistakes, right? Who is preparing this? A trainee people. So that person can make some mistakes. So let's go one by one. Let's go one by one. First one is what? The cost of sales of the business for the year end. So what is the formula for the cost of sales? Let me take it to the working sheet so it will be easy for me to do, guys. Yeah, okay. First one they're asking for the what? First one they're asking for the what? Cost of sales. First one they're asking for the what? Cost of sales. Can I know the formula for the cost of sales? Can I know for the know the formula for the cost of sales? Cost of sales. Cost of sales is equal to opening stock is equal to what? Opening stock plus purchases. So anything comes under purchases should be included, and we should deduct what? Closing stock. We should deduct what? Closing stock. So in the question, can you all remember they were saying this was a business started newly here. The business was started on 1st of January, right? So if the business was started on 1st of January, will there be a opening stock? Will there be a opening stock? No, there will not be any opening stock. So opening stock will be what? Opening stock will be zero. Opening stock will be zero. During the year, what they have purchases? Let's go for the purchases. Purchases is 160,000. Purchases is 160,000. Apart from that, we have what? Carriage inwards also 500, right? So let me take that carriage inwards also 5,000. So let me take the carriage inwards also what? 5,000. Any other thing can I include for the purchases? No. What is the closing stock here? What is the closing stock? Closing stock have they given? Can I know what's the closing stock? Have they given closing stock? No. Closing stock, if they have given, they would have given somewhere under here, right? So check, have they given the closing stock? No. Therefore, the closing stock will be 0. 160 plus 5,000 will give you the answer 165. Check whether do you have an answer 165? Yes, the answer should be what? Second one. The answer should be what? Second one. So this is for the 35th question. 36th question. Guys, make sure if you go wrong in the first part, the remaining part will be incorrect, because all the questions are connected. So don't make mistakes in cost of sales or gross profit. You will make a mess in other questions also. Okay. So for the 35th question, answer should be first one or second one. There is a carriage inwards also for you all to add, right? So therefore, you should add that what? You should add that 5,000 also. So 160 plus 5 will give you the answer 165,000. Next one is what? Gross profit. How to find the gross profit? How to find the gross profit? Sales minus cost of sales. Sales minus cost of sales will give you the gross profit. So what is our sales figure here? Sales figure is 250,000, right? There is no any sales return or anything. So I can simply take this 250,000 as what? Sales. I can take this 250,000 as what? Sales. So what's the cost of sales we found here? Cost of sales we found as 165,000, right? So can you quickly do the calculation and say me 250,000 minus 165,000 will give you the answer how much? Can you quickly do the calculation and say me 250 minus 165, what will be the answer? 250 minus 165, what will be the answer, guys? Can you do the calculation quickly? I am receiving as what? 85,000. So what is your gross profit? 85,000. So what's the answer? For the 36th question, the answer should be what? First one. Very easy, no, guys. Next one is what? 37th question. Next one is what? 37th question. 37th question, what's happening? The total of establishment and administration expense indicated in statement of profit or loss. They are asking for the administration expense, right? So what are the administration expense? You can take it over here. What are the administration expense? You can take it over here. Let's go one by one. Let's go one by one and get what? The administration expense. Okay. Now say me purchases no, carriage inwards no, guys. This is a what? Advertising is a what expense? Advertising is a what expense, guys? Advertising is a what expense? Advertising is a distribution expense, right? So you can't take it. Rent you can take. Rent you can take how much? 12,000. Bank loan interest, no. Electricity charges you can take. So your answer should be what? Your answer should be what? 12,000 plus 2,500 will give you the answer. Will give you the answer how much? 14,000. 14,500. So what should be the answer? Third one should be the answer. 14,500. So for the 38th question, what's there, guys? What is the amount of bank interest paid in cash? Now see here. What is the annual bank loan interest? Now look here properly. What is the annual bank loan interest? See, annual bank loan interest is 6,000. Still you have a payable of how much? 2,500. Annually you should pay 6,000. Still, if you are having a payable of 2,500, can you people say me how much they would have paid by cash? Can you people say me how much they would have paid by cash? Annually, you should pay 6,000. Still, if you want to pay 2,500, you have paid how much? You have paid how much? You have paid a 3,500, right? You have paid a 3,500, right? So what should be the answer? So answer should be the second one. Can I know anyone who is not clear with this one? I can explain again. Can I know anyone who is not clear with this one? Okay, one student is not clear. Now see here, in income statement or in profit or loss, definitely we will be recording the annual expense. What is the annual expense? Annually you should pay 6,000. for a year, you should pay 6,000. If you pay 6,000 for an year, if you should pay 6,000 for a year, here still you have a payable of 2,500. Let's assume for a class, monthly you should pay 6,000. Example, for a class monthly you should pay 6,000. Now sir is telling you at the end of the month, once after you made a payment, you have paid out of the 6,000, you have paid some sort of amount. Now sir is telling you, look here, you should pay another 2,500. You should pay another 2,500. Which means what? From the 6,000 amount which you should pay, you have paid a 3,500. You should pay 3,500. Then only sir will be saying, look here, you should pay 2,500 further. So that's the thing here. 6,000 you should pay. Still you should pay a 2,500 means by cash. How much you have paid? You have paid 3,500 by cash. You have paid 3,500 by cash. Are you clear? The ones who have doubt with the 38 question. Are you people clear? The ones who had the doubt with 38 question. You should pay 6,000 for a year. At the end of the year, you should pay a 2,500 further, which means during the period you have paid 3,500, right? Yes, clear. Guys, as a student, sir, can you explain the question number 37? Yes, sure. What is the question number 37? They're asking for. They are asking for the admin expense, right? They are asking for the admin expense. So out of the expense category, you should select the admin expenses. What are the admin expenses here? What are the admin expenses? Rent is administration expense. Rent is administration expense. Electricity charges is an administration expense. So 12,000 plus 2,500 will give you the answer 14,500. That's how I got the answer for the what? 37th question. I hope you all are clear. Next one is what? The increase in equity of the business on 1st of January 2016 to 31st December 2016. So what are the components of equity, guys? They are asking for the increase in equity, right? They are asking for the what? Increase in equity. So what is increase in equity? What is increase in equity here? These are what? These are liability. These are what, guys? That capital, bank loan creditors and what? Bank loan creditors. These set of things are what? Liability. These set of things are liability. So can I get the closing equity? Opening equity was 330,000. We added a what? Income of 56,000. Sorry, we added a profit of the 56,500. So what's our total equity? What's our total final equity? 386,500. So opening equity was 330,000. Our closing equity is 386,500. Therefore, what is the increase in equity? Our equity has increased during the period only by how much? 56,500. Opening was 330,000. Closing is 386,500. Therefore, the increase in equity is only how much? 56,500. Don't go and take the answer 386,500. It will be wrong. They are asking for the increase. Therefore, you should get the only the increase. Can you all confirm me so far? Are you all clear? There is one more question to discuss. Are you clear? Guys, I'm not rushing anywhere. I'm not rushing anywhere. I'm taking my time and explaining for you people to put the things properly to your head. Are you people clear? Can everyone give a reply quickly? Yes. Okay. Let me go for the final question also. What's the final question there? See? Okay. Final question is what? Select the answer which shows the total assets and total liability of the business as at 31st December 2016 respectively. First one, they're asking for the total assets and total liability. So let me get the total liability quickly. What's the total liability here? What's the total liability here? 50 plus 36,000 will be equal to 86,000. 86,000, 87,000, 88,500. 88,500. What's the answer, guys? 88,500. So what could be the answer? Either our answer should be what? Either our answer should be a second one or fourth one. Definitely 1 and 3 can't be our answer because they have given total equity and liability. They are specifically asking only for the total liability. These are the set of category which comes for the liability, right? So these are the liability components. So here what should be answer? 88,500. So what is the total value of the assets? Let's get the total value of the asset. What is the total value of the asset, guys? So assets total value is 475,000, right? Here, how do we normally write? Here we will be writing as what? Here we will be writing as what? Total assets. Here we will be writing as what? Total assets. Here what we will be writing? Total equity and liability, right? Here we will be writing as what? total equity and liability, right? So here we took only the liabilities. This will itself be the total asset. So total asset is 475,000 and liability is only 88,500. Therefore, the answer should be the fourth one. Therefore, the answer should be the what? Fourth one. Very easy paper. So the 2017 MCQ paper is over. Okay. So next class we will be discussing the part 2, guys. So the ones who have not registered for the seminar series, if you all are attending, just register as soon as possible. So we will be doing accounting from basic. If you all don't know assets also, just come to the class. We will be doing from A to Z completely until the financial statement. We have divided into 4 seminars. In those 4 seminars, first one I'll be completing all the basics. Second one is all the prime entry books. Third one is but correction of accounting errors and all. In fourth seminar, we will be doing the financial statement and we will be covering the entire accounting syllabus, which consists of 60 marks. The things which you are studying for 2 years or 3 years, we will be covering in 4 sessions as we did for the business studies. So the ones who are attending or the ones who are willing to attend or the ones who want any more clarification, you all can just drop me a text. You all can just drop me a text. I'll be able to clarify. And the ones who are not in the group, just be added to the group. In case if you are not in the group, just let me know so I can add you people to the group also. I can add you to the group also. Guys, anyone with any doubt? I hope everything is clear. So then and there I cleared all your doubts. In case if I miss any messages, in case if I couldn't reply to any of your messages through the Zoom or WhatsApp, please put it again and again, guys. In WhatsApp panel, these days you all might know dealing with many messages, guys, groups and etc. Everything. So in case if I miss a message or anything, please send me again and again and just trouble me. So at least I will reply and finish off your doubts. The past paper session will be every Wednesday and Friday. Past paper session will be every Wednesday and Friday. Yes, seminar will be started on April 1st. So business study seminar is over. You all can get the recording of it. But accounting seminar series will be starting on 1st of April. So if you all have not registered, you all can just register as soon as possible. And also YouTube channel name, you all can just type my name. You all can just type my name. Okay, you all can just type my name. You all will be receiving and you all will be receiving a channel. You can go and check the recordings. In case if you can't find it, just put me a text so I can send you the link. So that's all for today, guys. That's all for today. We will be meeting again coming Friday. We will be meeting most probably Friday and again on April 1st for the seminar series, guys. So till then, study well. Okay, study well and don't be stressed over these days. As I'm saying always, don't be stressed over these days. Just reduce your stress level. Take some be wise in the sense or don't be over stressed. Don't put everything and study and don't make yourself stressed. Just be calm. Just be calm. Put a proper timetable as I always say and focus on your studies. Only few more days left, guys. So after that, you all can take all your funs and enjoyment after that, after the exam. So till then, guys, stay safe, study well, and if you all come across any doubt or anything, you all can just drop me a text. So till then, guys, stay safe. So we'll meet again Friday, guys. Okay, so I'll end the meeting.